Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm going to show how to install macOS Sonoma on PC. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and stay connected for the latest updates. So guys, let's start. For this purpose you'll require macOS Sonoma installer. To download the installer for yourself, follow the guide from my button. Command text for creating installer media, OpenCore configurator for mounting ESP, and EFI according to your hardware. To create EFI for yourself, follow the guide from my button, and also one USB with minimum 16 GB is required for the purpose. Now plug any USB with a minimum of 16 GB, and you can see the USB appeared here. Open disk utility and erase the USB with the following parameters. After erasing the USB, quit disk utility. Now, open the command file and copy the whole command, and execute the copied command in the terminal. Enter your password, and confirm erasing of the USB. And now the USB is being erased, and the bootable USB will be ready in a while. And now as you can see, the USB installer has been created successfully. Quit the terminal, and now mount the EFI partition of the USB, and copy the EFI for your system and paste it to the EFI partition of the USB. After copying the EFI, copy OpenCore configurator to the USB. Now, close all, and eject the USB. Now, before proceeding with installation, you'll need to set up your system BIOS accordingly. Boot your system into BIOS, and then load the optimized defaults, and change the following settings. Now, after making the changes required, save and exit the BIOS setup. Now, plug in macOS Sonoma bootable USB to your PC, and boot to boot menu. When at boot menu, select your USB, followed by the UEFI prefix, and press enter to boot. From OpenCore boot picker, select macOS installer, and press enter to boot. When at the installation screen, select your preferred language and click on the right arrow button to continue. Now from the recovery options, select Disk Utility, and click on Continue. Here, click on View, and then select Show All Devices. Now select your main drive instead of any partitions, and erase the drive with the following parameters. After erasing the drive, close Disk Utility, and now select Install macOS 14, and click on Continue, and proceed with the installer. Here, select the drive you created, and click on Continue. Keep in mind, the installation process may take a while, and your PC may restart several times, so don't worry about that. And finally, the macOS Sonoma setup screen is here. Set up your macOS according to your preferences. After reaching the Sonoma desktop, you must make the PC boot independently, without USB. For that, open OpenCore configurator and mount the EFI partition of the USB and system drive as well. After mounting the EFI partitions, copy the EFI folder from your USB and paste it into the EFI partition of the system drive. After putting the EFI, eject the EFI partitions, and USB as well. And now restart your PC, and boot to macOS Sonoma without using USB. And now, I'll quickly show you what's working, and the hardware specification. Finally, everything is working as expected. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below, or create a thread on our forum. Make sure to check out the forum for in-depth guides. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.